Vision for the development of robotics and artificial intelligence in the financial and banking sector. The development of robotics and artificial intelligence (AI) technology has already had a significant impact on many industries, and the finance and banking sector is no exception. As the demand for personalized and efficient financial services grows, the use of robotics and AI is becoming increasingly prevalent in this industry. One of the most significant potential applications of robotics and AI in the finance and banking sector is in the area of customer service. Chatbots and virtual assistants are being used by banks and financial institutions to improve customer service and provide personalized recommendations. These AI-powered tools can answer common customer questions, provide information about financial products and services, and even make transactions on behalf of customers. In addition, AI-powered systems can be used to analyze customer data and develop personalized financial advice and recommendations. This can help customers make more informed decisions about their financial investments and transactions. Another potential application of robotics and AI in the finance and banking sector is in the area of fraud detection and prevention. AI-powered systems can analyze large amounts of data and identify potential fraudulent transactions in real time, allowing banks and financial institutions to take action to prevent losses. The use of robotics and AI in the finance and banking sector also has the potential to improve operational efficiency and reduce costs. For example, robots can be used for tasks such as data entry and processing, reducing the need for human staff to perform these tasks. Similarly, AI-powered systems can be used to automate routine tasks such as loan underwriting and financial reporting. However, there are also challenges associated with the use of robotics and AI in the finance and banking sector. One of the biggest challenges is the need for specialized training for staff who will be working with these technologies. Additionally, there are concerns about the potential for cyber attacks and data breaches, which could compromise the security and privacy of customer data. One of the most promising applications of robotics and AI in the finance and banking sector is in the area of investment management. AI-powered systems can analyze large amounts of data and generate investment recommendations based on market trends and customer preferences. Additionally, robots can be used for tasks such as portfolio management and risk analysis, allowing financial institutions to provide more accurate and efficient investment services. Another potential application of robotics and AI in the finance and banking sector is in the area of compliance and regulatory reporting. AI-powered systems can analyze large amounts of data and identify potential compliance issues in real time, allowing financial institutions to take action to prevent regulatory violations. Similarly, robots can be used for tasks such as regulatory reporting, reducing the risk of errors and improving the accuracy and efficiency of compliance processes. The use of robotics and AI in the finance and banking sector also has the potential to improve financial inclusion. AI-powered systems can be used to analyze customer data and develop personalized financial products and services for underbanked populations. Similarly, robots can be used for tasks such as customer onboarding and account opening, reducing the barriers to entry for individuals who may not have access to traditional banking services. However, there are also concerns about the potential impact of robotics and AI on employment in the finance and banking sector. As more tasks become automated, there is a risk of job losses for human workers. Additionally, there are concerns about the ethical implications of using AI-powered systems to collect and analyze customer data. One of the most exciting potential applications of robotics and AI in the finance and banking sector is in the area of blockchain technology. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that allows for secure and transparent transactions without the need for intermediaries such as banks. AI-powered